So this is going to be today's video review for Wednesday, March the 9th, 2016 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the market we were looking for bears below 92, and below 92 we had 75.5 here as a level. The market is dealing with some resistance, and coming into the day we look for the follow the yellow brick road trade plan. So we had an opportunity to get short in through here. We would have targeted the lower green down here about 92, 93 area. Then we had an opportunity that provided two entries here. We're looking for bears at about one was right in through here. We would from the midline here we would target the lower green down here. We didn't get to it, and then we popped back up. So this one here you might have broke even on with the stop 2 ticks above the high here. And this one here you would have re-entered again. This is for this left chart. 2 ticks above the high stop. This one targeting the lower green, 81.5, 82.5 minimum. You can see we went sideways when we got down there, and then we had another signal. There's a weak dot push buy, would be against the morning brew, that took us back up to 92. But let's look at the bears from 92 again. So we got another weak dot push sell right up here close to the 92, looking for bears. Two opportunities to get in. I've got these smart signal triangles on here right now, but we're going to be putting a ribbon across the top with the coloring, like a shading, to remove the triangles off the chart. I think it's going to look a lot better, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, send an email to jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you.